Morning guys, it's another day here and I'm editing, heading for breakfast. Madam, how are you today? Are you ready today? She didn't even comb her hair, so she prepared a breakfast for us. What is it called? Avocado sandwich, egg, cheese, and what is this?
I don't know where did I put the grater, the cheese grater.
Oh, yeah. What is this? Cantaloupe. So, right now the snow is melting and it's been good and it's raining as well. Her hair is like all over the place. So anyway, I hope you'll enjoy this day and I'm vlogging every day. Alright. Peace. See ya. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon, guys. It's not snowing today, but it is raining. So the snow is already melted, and then here comes the rain. You know what's new? All right. Today we are doing some errands, specifically filling the water up. We are currently at the water store right now. Ian is filling up 2 of our 5-gallon water. I don't know. Nope, you can't see him. So yeah, come along with us today. After this, we're gonna go eat lunch, and the time right now is 1:38. Yeah, it's a late lunch. We ate our breakfast earlier at around 10 or 9:30, so we're still pretty full. It's cold though. We're gonna go eat lunch and then do some more errands.
Oh my gosh. Woo! Rain, go away. Come back
again
on
another
Saturday.
Wrong lyrics. This guy parked his car and how much?
$6.50. I think they increased already. More tax.
Alright, we need to eat.
Anywhere?
I don't know if I'm hungry or I'm what. So, come along with us. Ooh, sorry, I forgot my seatbelt. Click it or take it. What else? You know what's funny though? Not funny, really. The snow, some areas, the snow is still thick and hard. And it doesn't look nice anymore because like it's so dirty.
But yeah, we're here. We're living in a snowy weather. Can't complain, right?
Well, how do you feel though? Like we pretty much replace the sun and the beach to this rainy, cold.
But it's
place.
not whole year like this. Only like few months, and then after this, there's a sunshine after the rain. There's a sunshine after the rain, yeah. Oh boy.
Alright, so let's bring back some memories from Hawaii. Yeah!
On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. My mama's in the kitchen cooking dinner real nice. Beef stew on the stove, low mess at me.
So we're here at Tony Pho, Ode's favorite Vietnamese restaurant. The price is not bad. Talking like this may go 24 is now here as a customer. I don't want to like vlog in a public, right? So what are you getting, love?
Can we get soup, please?
Yeah.
Pho. We're gonna get the combo fried rice. No bean sprouts, please. And then the well done brisket.
Small, yeah. Small, okay?
some leftovers.
I don't want to go home yet, you know. We could go somewhere else, like have fun, you know. Yes! Excuse me, why did you park in the middle? Okay, you're gonna follow me, right?
Yeah.
Bye. Thank you.
Yeah. So that guy or girl just parked in front of us. What the heck? So slow. So let's bring some memories again. Alright, we're inside at the rush right now. I'm looking for Ode because she needs a cart. Woo! Yes. There you go. Oh my god, that's a lot.
No, I'm thinking twice of this, but this is nice. Nice, right?
Mm-hmm.
Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful.
Wow. Oh my god, it's raining. It's drizzling, but not much. Woohoo! Alright, going home.
Be closer.
I'm going around.
Okay.
Round and around and around and around. Up, bumps.
Some people here get depressed because of the weather. Like it's always raining. You know. At least it's not hot. Miss
So wait,
Maui.
if we visit Maui, what will you do first thing?
Of course, go home, see my family,
Oh, aside from that, I mean like
eat my mom's cooking. I miss it so bad. And
I
then
wanna
beach.
go to the falls. You never went to the beach when we
I do,
went?
but then I don't go to the beach. I just go right, you know, under the sun.
You even like,
Because that's how I roll.
oh my god, this weather feels like.
But you know, you gotta be happy with life. No matter where you are at, no matter the situation, the weather, you shouldn't depend your happiness on circumstances.
Like what I said.
Look who's talking. Who's talking? Happy with nothing and you will be happy with everything. Wow. Good job.
That's code for today. And mabuhay, aloha. Wait, what happened? Is there school karon jam? There's school
What?
bus. Oh my god.
No, you know why? Because the red is blinking, so you cannot pass.
No, I was just like asking, school day pala ngayon.
Yeah, it is school day. So when the red
No more
light
snow
of
there.
a bus, school bus, is blinking, you cannot pass.
Thou shalt not pass unto me. It's unlawful act of kindness.
What is going on, people? Why is the other side also stuck?
No, because stop mo on the other side. Because mutabok ang pikas.
Okay, very good. They're moving now. They're moving. So what else?
I think that's it. I want
That's
to end the vlog here.
We'll see you guys later.
Bye!
Aloha! Oh my god, I'm imagining the beach, the ocean,
The palm trees,
the palm,
the trade winds,
the wind,
the scorpion,
Moana, Maui.
the centipede, the pineapple, burning pineapple. Oh, not pineapple, burning sugarcane.
No more.
I know. What was
Waiting for you. The sun is rising, rising. Rising too. Everybody's waiting.
Wake up, wake up.
Maui, take me back. Take me back. Oh, she's giving me.
Drugs pa more. Sige, tuwira pa. Sudod lang. Nag-lipsing nga lang, di pa alam.
Morning, Hawaii. My heart. Bye. See you later.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
I got something in the mail. Someone sent me this. A very special person that I so love and I also miss back home. They sent us this box. Ta-da-da! My best friend for life. Charlotta.
Alright.
Yeah.
Thank you, Charlotte.